Christmas came early this year. Watch the entire video. I'm gonna show y'all how to delete any item off of your consumer report. I'm gonna just give y'all a little hack, secret, whatever you want to call it. So watch the entire video. If you're new, if you get value from what I'm saying, make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you do the whole nine. Share it with someone that's gonna help. The economy is how it is, so I want to make sure that y'all are able to be positioned to be able to go get the money you need to get. And this basically starts with your credit. So if you have negative items on your credit, you're gonna want to pay attention. You're obviously gonna want to send notices, letters, but we're gonna walk through the CFPB removal process that'll assist your situation. So I'm gonna share my screen and we're gonna get straight into it. Hold on. It's right here. Let me delete the zoom thing. Maybe maximize it. I'll make myself bigger. Let me get a sip of the tea. Those of y'all that know I be sipping on some tea. Let's see what the quote is. They be having quotes on it. So it says we can always start again. So whoever that's speaking to, remember that we can always start again. We're gonna start again right now with our dispute. So let's say you send out your dispute and you want it to be more powerful. Some of y'all may know you can submit a CFPB complaint, Consumer Financial Protection Bureau. So to be transparent, we sell this document, but y'all are getting it for free. So it's literally in the video. So, you know, you can do what you want to do with it. But when you get our DIY recession repair remedy, it's only $7 right now. It's a whole course that teaches you how to remove whatever. It'll basically have a funnel where you can go ahead and grab this if you want. But if you're cheap, you're literally having it in a video now. But if you want it as an actual document, just go ahead and grab that. Go to that funnel. So just remember, everything we're looking at is a guide, right? It doesn't necessarily mean that this is the only way to do it. So keep that in mind. When it comes to your CFPB complaint, you got to realize that there's not necessarily a script for it. I'm just showing y'all the way that you could do it. But just remember that everything when it comes to credit, it's like, nothing is guaranteed. So you just want to do what you can, and then you'll be able to get to the next level that way. So if you don't know already, you have to create a CFPB account. So the CFPB website is consumerfinance.gov. When you go to submit a complaint, this is what it will look like. You're gonna have to log in. They used to let you submit as a guest, but they don't do that no more. So most companies respond within 15 days. Ready to begin. Start a new complaint. I'm just showing y'all where it's located, but I'm not actually, because you see, you gotta create an account. If you say already submitted a complaint or created your account, you're gonna click here and then just log in. And then you can check the status of what you've already done, or you can go ahead and submit a complaint. But this is basically the CFPB. Some of y'all don't know about the CFPB. Some of y'all know about the CFPB. Just want to show y'all so y'all making no excuses not to get those negative items deleted, so you can leverage your credit, go get the house you want, go get the car you want, go get the funding you need so you can go ahead and start your business, grow your business, or scale your business, right? You deserve the best life, so that's why I put out this information. All right, move myself over here. So yeah, you create your account, and then, so this basically goes through, it follows the DIY recession repair remedy course, and we're operating off of the basis of permissible purpose leading to identity theft, right? So the laws are 15 USC 1681B number 2, 15 USC 1681C-2, which leads to the non-compliance, right? Willful non-compliance, 1681N. If you want to do negligence, 1681O, maybe you've already sent notices, but typically you're going to start with the willful non-compliance because they're not doing what you told them to do, so they're willfully not compliant. They become negligent when continuously, do what it is. So just keep that in mind, that that's basically what our claim is based off of. Your claim is based off of whatever your claim is. So if you have a 1681 EB claim, that's going to deal with maximum possible accuracy. So just keep that in mind. That's why I say everything is customized to your situation. So when you go through the CFPB, they're gonna be like, what's the complaint about? You're gonna select a prompt. This is what I recommend you select. Credit reporting, credit repair services, blah, blah, blah. You're gonna select credit reporting. Improper use of your report. They use your report improperly. And then they're gonna ask you, have you attempted to resolve it before? You can say no if you're doing like a reset, kind of like what did the T say again? We can always start again. That's no cap. It's literally saying that. So just keep that in mind. So if you're restarting a process based off of what I'm saying now, you can say no. It doesn't matter. You can say no, yes, whatever. But we typically say no because it's our first CFPB complaint that we're doing. Under what happened, write out your complaints, right? You can keep it short and sweet, but the way that we do it, we talk about the actual history of the Fair Credit Reporting Act. So as you can see right here, we just talk about how it says the banking system is dependent upon fair and accurate credit reporting. If you've been following me for some time, then you already understand how powerful that is as far as the history, just knowing the basis of what the FCRA is based upon. So whenever there's a violation under FCRA that impairs efficiency, blah, 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 violation of, like I said, 1681B number 2, C-2, 1681N. And then there's an example here that we use for late payments. So that's right there. We just use Chase Bank as an example. So the burden of proof is on them to show that you were actually late. What would you like the resolution to be? I'm not demanding verification nor validation of these accounts. These accounts listed shall be removed. Those of y'all that know about consumer laws, let me bold that. You know, let me underline it too. You know that shall means that it has to happen. It's not that it's permissive, right? Something that's permissive is may. It may happen. But shall, it's imperative that it happens. It has to happen. It's not optional. It's required. It has to happen, right? So I'm demanding that the credit reporting agency do what is fair and equitable. Again, we're going back to the language of the FCRA. Remember, this is Fair Credit Reporting Act. 1681C-2, they shall remove the items. And then you can just list accounts that you're actually disputing. And then you can also do personal information if you want, if it's like your first round. So you can put the correct year of my birth is XYZ, only address is this, only name listed is this. And then what you're gonna wanna do, you're gonna wanna attach your dispute document. You're gonna wanna attach a copy of your ID. You're gonna wanna attach a FTC report if you filled one out as well. So just keep that in mind. And basically, this is how you can do a CFPB complaint. And I definitely recommend, as far as removing items, whether you're doing it for yourself or if you have your own credit repair business. If you've been following me and you don't have no credit repair business, at least a side hustle, then you literally just hate money. You hate your family because you know you can be making additional money to go ahead and help them. And it doesn't have to be hard because you could hire people to go ahead and do the disputing for you. So if you've been watching me for an insurmountable amount of time and you ain't take action yet, you hate your family. I'm letting you know. I'm letting you know that you hate your family because we've done giving y'all so many chances, so many different resources as far as being able to fix your credit and get your credit to the next level with the funding. We don't put podcast episodes out with interviews with people that could inspire you. So just say you hate your family at this point if you haven't taken action. You know, just say you hate your family. Just say you hate yourself if you ain't fixed your credit. You ain't taking no steps to fix your credit. So keep in mind, the information is out there. That's basically what I'm saying. So if you're working that 9 to 5 you don't love, if you do take action, I'm here to tell you it's gonna get better. But if you're someone that doesn't take action, you're just watching my videos, watching, no action, I ain't gonna hold you. I can't guarantee you it's gonna get better. It's probably gonna stay the same or get even worse. So keep that in mind. Don't have that poor mentality. Poor people, they love just consuming stuff and not taking action. Poor people love dictating how someone should do something when they doing nothing, when they in the sidelines. Isn't it funny, like, if you look at basketball, like LeBron or Kobe, rest in peace, they're the ones playing in the game. But then you got people in the crowd that want to make their comments. People that wouldn't stand a chance to be in the NBA. So just remember, those of y'all that's like credit repair business owners, you're creators as well, you're creating content. Don't listen to these poor people that's talking crazy in your comments. Just remember, like, these poor people, right? The poor people that, you know, decide to make these negative comments and they're not adding no value to society. They're worried about you. And maybe it's you. Maybe you a hater watching this right now. If you a hater watching my channel right now, you be hating on me or you be hating on whoever, you worried about me. You need to be worried about why your daughter, your son thinks that the number 5 is a color. You know what I'm saying? Like, you worried about the wrong things. You're worried about the wrong things. You worried about somebody that is adding value to the community, and then you got whatever issues you got with this. So if you're a hater, you know, just talk to God and just ask God to pray the spirit out of hating from you, and you know, maybe you'll stop being a hater. I don't know, but yeah, the rest of y'all, I appreciate y'all support. You know, many blessings to those of y'all. Those of y'all that have that poor mentality, poor people, you know, I can't help y'all. But those of y'all that's willing to take action, I hope this video brings you value and you actually take action. With that being said, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Y'all have a blessed one.